Ford fans, if you haven't heard the news, Holley's teaming up with an NMRA to bring you the ultimate Ford party, Ford Fest. Any Ford power plant is invited to come play, so if you got a 5.0, 4.6, 289, 351, 427, 390 flathead, any of the awesome Ford engines, you're welcome to come play at our party at Beach Bend Raceway. I grew up owning a 4-eyed Fox Body, always Ford powered. My pony had a slew of power plants. Right now it packs an F2 Balone Windsor with a Power Glide. So on top of the heads-up NMRA drag racing, there's going to be a burnout competition, drifting, autocross, road course, 3S challenge, show and shine, dyno challenge. Let's not forget the countryside cruise, swap meet. Even the original Bigfoot truck's going to be there. It's going to be a full-on party, baby. Make sure you get your Ford ready for the biggest Ford event you've ever seen. Holley's Intergalactic Ford Festival will be the largest race of the year. I hope to see you there.